Wash now, style later, take 2. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing another wash now, style later. And I've enjoyed kind of playing around with this technique because honestly, I am just intrigued that my hair can go from looking like this to, well, you're just going to have to go ahead and watch the whole video to see what my hair turns into. But there's something really, really fun about the versatility of wavy hair and watching how it transforms. So why don't we just go ahead and jump right into this wash now, style later.
Hello again from my bathtub. All right, so I am just jumping right in and really wetting my hair thoroughly, making sure to start scrubbing my scalp and grabbing the TréLuxe cleansing rinse. I consider this a low poo because it foams, but it doesn't contain any sulfates. And I find that most low poos do much better when you warm them up in your hands a little bit, kind of get that lather started in your hands and then apply it to your hair. So I'm just going to give my scalp a really good scrub with this and add just a tiny bit of water to it. And then the lather lathers up even more, which is nice because I like my lather. All right, now I am just going to rinse this completely out of my hair. This is one of the very few foaming low poos that I have that will actually allow me to finger detangle my hair after using it. It's crazy. I don't even feel like I need conditioner after I use this cleansing rinse. It's just amazing. So I'm just really taking my time, rinsing well, and now I'm going to use their Untie the Knot 1 pump of leave-in conditioner. This is formulated so that it can be left in or rinsed out, dealer's choice, and I choose to leave it in. I found that I hit 1 knot and I just grabbed a tiny bit more of that Untie the Knot and kind of like squeezed it into the tangle, and the tangle melted right out. So now I'm just going to finish thoroughly distributing that leave-in conditioner through my hair with the Perfect Hair Care brush. Y'all know me. I've been hooked on that brush for quite a while. I really find that it helps finish the detangling process without damaging my hair. Adding just a little bit of water to my hair so that I can do a good, thorough squish to condish with that leave-in and really make sure that my hair is thoroughly hydrated. If you're struggling with hydration issues, Squish to Condish is your friend. Okay, now I'm just throwing on my Perfect Hair Care microfiber towel and I'm good to go.
So, as you saw, I went ahead and washed my hair with all TréLuxe products. So, why not keep this wash consistent and continue to use TréLuxe products? I'm just gonna reach over here and grab them real quick. Hold on. I grabbed a few more things. So, I've got my towel. I've got my gel, a curl enhancer, a brush, and a water bottle. So the last time I did the wash now, style later, I did not brush my hair before I started. And since there is no product in my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of smooth everything out with this brush. Just run it through very gently to kind of situate where everything is going. Yes, I'm using the viewfinder to part my hair. Another thing that's really fun about doing the wash now, style later is that you can really control how straight your part is and where exactly your part winds up on your head. And I'm using this spray bottle instead of my Flairsol bottle because it was kind of a lot of work to re-wet my hair with the Flairsol bottle. It's such a fine mist. It's really meant just for kind of refreshing and situations where you need a really fine mist. I don't need a fine, careful sort of mist here. I just need to go ahead and get my hair wet. Another way that you could re-wet your hair would be just in the shower real quick in the morning, flip your head upside down, get some water in it, then you could apply your products. So I'm just going to go ahead and start wetting my hair, and then we'll get to applying products. Wow, that is working so much better. My hair is getting saturated with water way more quickly than it did last time. Another thing I didn't mention in the previous video that makes this method make some more sense is that my friend Danielle over on Instagram, who kind of coined the phrase wash now, style later. She didn't necessarily coin the technique, but she definitely coined the phrase wash now, style later. She only washes her hair once a week or every 6 days, and that works fantastic for her. So if you were washing your hair way less often than I am, it would kind of make sense to break this up if you wanted to, and if you could get the longevity that Danielle gets. There it is. Did y'all hear it? That's how I know I'm getting enough water in my hair. Almost there. Another thing that I find really interesting about doing my hair this way is that I can really control how big my curl clumps are. Smaller curl clumps sometimes equal more volume for me because of my really fine hair getting weighed down by the weight of the water and the weight of the curl clump itself. Also, continuing to flip my hair from side to side is making sure that nothing is going to get stuck in a wonky way. All right, so now that my hair is thoroughly saturated, you can already see that it is starting to look way wavier than it did when I started. I am going to grab the TréLuxe Reflex Serum real quick and start applying this to my hair. It is a very runny, sort of gel-like consistency. There we go. Oh, and I just love the way the TréLuxe product smells. This smells very similar to the shampoo. Just grabbing a little more. All right, and now I am just going to grab a little bit of the TréLuxe High Definition Gel and get that in my hair. I really should have grabbed my teaspoon measure, but this is a much thicker consistency than the Reflex Serum. The Reflex Serum really acts like a curl enhancer for me, whereas the gel, that locks in the hold and the style. I feel like I need a little bit of gel in the back of my hair. Ah, I remember I forgot to apply some there. Whoops! Amazing how much you can learn just by the feel of your hair. And you really do develop a feel for how much product you need and how little product you can really get away with. Yeah, there we go. All right, and now I am just going to pull out any excess water and product with my Perfect Hair Care towel and begin the drying process. I know it seems a little counterintuitive to put water back in and then pull it out. Having a little bit of excess water in your hair will actually help the product distribute more evenly through your hair. So adding just a smidgen extra is helpful. Now I'm just gonna diffuse my hair and go. I've actually had a bunch of questions about how I get the Extava Black Orchid to attach to my Dyson. I just bought some magnets off of Amazon. They're really, really strong. I'll have them linked down below. And I use super glue and I glued them. How about everyone email Dyson and say, we need a universal attachment for diffusers because this only works a little bit. I have a problem with the magnets coming off. The super glue doesn't hold for very long. Anyway, all right, gonna diffuse my hair now. Alrighty, and I diffused my hair for about 15 minutes. That left it at the sweet spot of 90% dry. I let it finish air drying as I was wandering around my house doing some things, and now I'm ready to scrunch out this crunch. And guys, I have some very exciting news for y'all. So this was another kind of one brand wash day with TréLuxe, and that is so that I can go ahead and tell you guys that TréLuxe is having a massive Black Friday sale. How exciting is that? So go ahead and pause this video, open the description box down below, and read up on all the details down there about this awesome Black Friday sale from TréLuxe. It's their biggest sale of the year. They don't ever put their products on sale, and they're putting them on sale for this Black Friday. How fun is that? All right, best part of wash day, scrunching out the crunch. My hair has just really been loving the added moisture that TréLuxe gives my hair. Oh my goodness, my hair has really been loving TréLuxe these past several weeks with the weather being colder. Let me go ahead and show you the back and these awesome wash now, style later results. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would, please go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell. I would love to have y'all stick around for some more videos. And seriously, leave a comment down below. Which styling technique do I need to try out next? Because I gotta say, I think round 2 of Wash Now, Style Later turned out absolutely fantastic. I just love how much wavy hair can transform from being almost straight to nearly curly with just slight adjustments in styling. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that the information was helpful. It also helps me out a little bit, which I greatly appreciate. And again, go ahead and leave a comment down below which styling technique you think I need to try out next. I'm like seriously considering doing damp styling and seeing how that goes, wherein I cut out the middle air drying part. This particular wash day routine works fantastic if you want to wash your hair at night and then wake up in the morning and re-wet and style, but damp styling would be in all one day kind of situation. And again, don't forget to go check out the description box down below for all the fantastic details of TréLuxe's mega sale they're having for this Black Friday. How exciting is that? I always want you guys to have the most high quality hair care products for a good price, and we all love a good sale. All right, I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later.